Well, hey there, Ghost Cats and Ghost Kittens. It is Ghostcat Patrick. I am here at Origins Game Fair in Columbus, Ohio. It's the 50th anniversary of Origins. Today, I got one close to my heart. It's a role-playing game based on the works of Robert E. Howard and the guy who invented Conan the Barbarian and all that. Yep, it's called Hyperborea. Check it out.
So we published the role-playing game called Hyperborea. It's a sword and sorcery themed game that is inspired by the fiction of Robert E. Howard, HP Lovecraft, Clark Ashton Smith, and various other pulp writers of the 1930s and 40s. The game has an old school vibe for mechanics. It's inspired by AD&D Gygaxian type of mechanics, but with a lot of its own house rules and innovations. The thing that separates it from a lot of other role-playing games that are similar in old school vibes is it's not a generic rules system. It is very much built for the setting of Hyperborea. So the classes, the races, the different religions and cultures and all that are all built for Hyperborea, as well as the monsters and everything else. We've been publishing this game since 2012. We're in our third edition now. All the editions are backwards compatible. We've basically each edition has added new classes and monsters, magic items, things like that, spells. So in the third edition that we just came out with a few years ago, we have the player's manual here and the referee's manual. The player's manual includes all the classes of the game. It has 4 core classes of fighter, magician, cleric, and thief, and then it has 22 different subclasses from which you can choose. And those are all sort of archetypal classes that advance. As they advance in levels, they get new abilities and things that they can do that are sort of preset for them. So it has all the classes and races are in this volume, as well as all the spells and all the rules of the game. Then the referee's manual has all the monsters, the magic items, and a gazetteer of the realm. The gazetteer includes descriptions of all the lands, the cultures, the religions, the festivals, all that sort of thing is covered in the gazetteer. So it's, like I said, it's very sword and sorcery themed. There's no elves or hobbits in this game. It's a human-based world. And then we have all these different adventure modules that support the game. Those modules each usually have like some kind of wilderness exploration, dungeon exploration, but they also, one of the features of them all is that they will expand some small part of Hyperborea. So something that may be briefly mentioned in the gazetteer of this referee's manual will be expanded upon in one of the adventure modules for people to play in. So yeah, we've been going for a while, since 2012, and it's been just growing more every year. It's available at hyperborea.tv, and it is available in some stores. We do sell direct to retail hobby shops, so if your hobby shop doesn't have it, you can request for them to contact me, and I directly wholesale to them.